What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, coming back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Because it's a vibe. And we're going about 2024 to 2025. And you already know what it is, man. We're back with another video, another banging video at that, man. But before we get into the video too far, shout out to one of my newest sponsors, man. Salam LED lighting, man. Yes, sir. They have hit your boy up, man. Say, hey, man, we love what you do. We see what you're doing. We wanna send you these out. Tell me what y'all think about them. Like I said, the link will be in the description below where y'all can find these. So yeah, man, y'all go over there and give them a holler, go give them a follow, and y'all go see if y'all can just go donate a couple dollars and go get some good products, man. So y'all go over there and go see what's up. It's the folks over there at Oxalam. So yeah, man. As y'all can see, we out here, man. We out here. We got the SS out here. Y'all, this is my first time seeing this car in like a week, give or take. This is where it's residing right now, where it needs to be residing, because if it stays in my possession, I'm gonna want to do stuff to it, and I got other stuff in the oven that's cooking. So anyway, y'all already know what the deal is. We're gonna get a little lighting upgrade for y'all, man. We're finna go and replace the fog lights. I said, not, you know, these folks right here, I appreciate them hitting me up, so I'm gonna do something for them, man. This is actually where I did one of my first headlight install videos, and that video actually is the one that done really jumped me off, you know, and got me doing all this stuff. So what the heck is this? Oh, okay, better tell me something. But yeah, this thing's in dire need of a wash. That's not what I came over here to do, but it definitely need washing. So the fog lights is what we're gonna be replacing today. They still got the factory halogen lights in them, so I'm gonna get y'all a before and after. You know what? I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. So as y'all can see, these look retarded ugly. Y'all already know I don't do the halogens. I don't do the yellow uglies. So I done got to get up out of here. And I'm gonna have another LED video for y'all too, probably in the next week or two. Whenever they come in, I got another video for y'all too. Shout out to Auto One. Hook me up with them right there. But yeah, man. So gonna get these popped up in here. If I'm not mistaken, the videos that I seen, I pretty much just gotta turn the wheel to the inside so I can get access to the inside of these. As y'all know, I think this T15 take those out. Same thing for this side. Turn the wheel, unscrew them out of there, and then, you know what I'm saying, get straight to the woo-wop. So I said, there go the before and stuff like that. Here we go right here. Here's a quick before. I know doggone well that light don't look like that. That light is yellow. I don't know why it's looking like that in this camera, but this light is showing a white, but it's yellow. There you go. That's the color of it for real. I don't know what's going on with the light, but it's lying. That's what it's doing. The light is lying. But yeah, that's what the before looked like. Clear off this camera. All right, I cleaned the camera off and it don't seem like it helped in it, but this is what they look like at night. Well, I can't say at night, but you know what I'm saying, from right here. So I'm gonna get one of these mugs put in and let y'all see what they look like versus this side and the other side, whichever the new one I put in. But we're finna get this thing unboxed. I'm gonna tap it in with y'all in just a second. So here we go with the better unboxing here. See if I can do this with one hand, but here are the specs on them. Operating voltage, IP rating, light source, LED chip, 30,000 hour lifespan, made out of aviation aluminum. You know what I'm saying? So these are for the fog lights or daytime runners. If I ain't mistaken, these are the H10 bulb. Y'all can see they labeled 6500K. So these should complement these lights that I got in here pretty good. So like I said, I'm gonna get y'all hopefully tapped in when we get this wheel turned or whatever. And yeah, so I'm tapping with y'all in just a second. All right, YouTube. That's pretty much what we got. That's all we need to get to. Just need to pull that back enough to fold this back over this tire. Some of these didn't have, some of these didn't have screws in them, but I only had to take out 3. So three of mine. It might be 4 or 5 of yours, but all you gotta do now, set y'all back up. If I can reach around this camera and do this for y'all. Counterclockwise turn and pull it out. Oh, not the whole fog light. Oh my lord. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay. I got the O-ring back on there. How do you do that? So, like I was saying, counterclockwise turn, pull it out. Then disconnect this right here. Y'all know how to take the clips out, but I got it off. You pull up on this little clip that goes in there, wiggle it a little bit, whatever you gotta do, and it'll come off of there. But get y'all side by side comparison. This is the box that it come in right here. That's how it looks right there. It's a real good, high quality. Feels very robust. It is labeled plus and minus on the back, so you can't mess it up. So we're gonna get these popped in. So it's just a simple plug and play. Go back up in there with it. Line it up. Clockwise turn. Twist it on in. Before I get everything put back in, I'm gonna go ahead and get a test run for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. I'm sweating out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Boy, that look good. Boy, that look good. Y'all can see that chip in there is doing this work. It's the factory halogen ones. Go ahead and get this garage door closed. Oh yeah. Instantaneous. Check it out. Check it out. That's what they look like. Whole lot more pleasing color for sure. There's the beam pattern for y'all right there. I'm not really just necessarily noticing the pattern different per se, but it does look a whole lot more like clear. Like this side over here looks a little like distorted and fuzzy in the way this is like straight direct. Like this line look a whole lot more crisp than this over here, you know, like this is a whole lot more sharper. So I can already tell this is gonna have a whole lot more sharper line when it projects. But this the other side here. And just this little line alone looks like you know, this not as long right here as that over there for some reason. So satisfied, man, more than satisfied. This thing's crazy. This thing's crazy. This is gonna look a whole lot better. This is what I should have did for y'all right here. So y'all can see the color is way brighter color. I'm a fan. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. I know I ain't gonna be able to get no nighttime shots in this video here of them, but y'all gotta take my word for them. Y'all have to. Like I say, I can't even tell y'all enough like how long, like I say, this right here compared to that over there alone. Like I said, if y'all can kind of tell, you know, and it's not even just the angle that I'm sitting at. Look how much longer this is compared to that right there. And I go to this side too. See, if this was, you know, the opposite way around, this side would look longer. Like I said, from this side, this, you know, they look even. But when you go over there, this side look longer. So this is really good, man. I appreciate them for coming out and fooling with your boy, man. So we're gonna get this other one popped in and get y'all a good before and after, stuff like that. Y'all definitely let me know what y'all think about it. So I'm gonna try to get me a thumbnail, and like I said, I'm gonna get this other one popped in and let y'all know what the finished product is like. Tap in with y'all in a second. Here is another look at it right here. For the thumbnail. Get y'all this little sound clip real quick. Hate me, but yeah, wait till this mug gets some headers or something. I'm really gonna have to find another place to stay. But yeah, I'm gonna get to the other side put in. This is with the low beams in, as well as the fog lights. They look a whole lot better, and they match up a whole lot better than the other ones. So, just have to give y'all this quick update. Here's the side-by-side comparison as well, showing y'all the old old bulb versus the new bulb. And there's the same length. I said I'm trying to do this with one hand, so that's what they look like. And let's say y'all know what they halogen look like, but this is what the LED that they get look like. All right, y'all, we back. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big difference, man. Big difference, bro. Y'all, I'm digging this. I am digging it. This looks real good. Real good, man. So that's gonna complete this install and review. And I will say, just after a few minutes for having these on, I did touch the back of it and, you know, just to feel the temperature of it. They do get pretty warm, but they're supposed to be for fog lights and daytime runners. So they have to have that in mind whenever they're developing these fog lights. So hence, you know, why the lifetime hours reflect how they do. But still, 30,000 hours is a very long time, and for the price that you get them for, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. So I'll leave the link in the description, as well as these great people over here at Axeland, man. I like them, man. I'm a fan. I'm a fan for sure. I said I'm always a fan of budget things, and this ain't no different, man. So y'all definitely go holler at them, man. Link be in the description below. Y'all go holler at them, and y'all go light up y'all world, man. Pretty sure y'all in the back, y'all probably like, what the heck? What is this? What do you got a dash? Big old dash sitting in your garage, man. Well, I'm gonna be revealing another one of my project vehicles to the channel in a few days. So this is actually Ford. So y'all gonna have to trust the process on this one. Y'all probably gonna be shaking y'all head and some more stuff, but just trust the process on this, and trust me when I tell you that this is finna be a heck of a project. But I'm probably finna take this mug around the corner. I ain't drove this car in like 2 weeks, so I got the itch. So we're gonna tap in with y'all when we get in the driver's seat. I was finna cut this mug off, but this dude got one of my dream cars over here, bro. Ooh, 73 Chevy Laguna. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse the channel. We're going about the rest of the year, man. Yes, sir.